So what does an hotel room in Moncton, New Brunswick look like? I'm staying here at the Crowne Plaza Hotel while I visit the world's highest sites at the Bay of Fundy, 30 minutes drive from Moncton. First things first, the location was perfect. It's located downtown, about 7 minutes walk away from the Via Rail station, which is also where the Maritime bus station is. The hotel is also right opposite the Government of Canada building and the Avenir Centre, which is like a commercial center or like a mall. So coming into the hotel, the first issue I had, or more like the only issue I had actually, was the staircase. They didn't mention that they had the accessible entrance at the back and at the side of the hotel, which is where you would come in from if you were driving. But if you walked in through the front with your luggage, then you would have to lug it up the staircase. But aside from that, everything else was actually quite a good experience for me. Check-in was pretty smooth and fast. One great thing I loved about this hotel was the service. It was impeccable. And I think one thing about hotels is once you stay at different hotels, they almost start to feel quite similar, especially those that are under the same brand. What really sets them apart is the experience that you get. So this was quite nice to have. I booked a standard king-size room, which had a very good view of downtown. I was actually able to see the train station and the bus station from my room, and it had a very nice view of surrounding areas. The manager left a welcome note on the bed, and earlier I checked in. I had received a coupon for dinner at a restaurant that was in the hotel. I think it was for a free appetizer. The room was decent and spacious. The bed was comfortable. The pillows were comfortable as well. Fluffy, but not too soft. Not a memory foam pillow either. There was the dresser for clothes storage with robes in it, which was good. They had a workstation where you could do some work, a decent sized TV, a coffee station as well. I don't drink coffee, so I can't tell as to how good that was. Nothing says fancy than having a whole microwave inside your hotel room. The bathroom was also spacious with a walk-in shower. To be honest, I'm quite biased in a positive way, as to bathrooms that have walk-in showers instead of the usual tub. I don't usually soak in hotel bathroom tubs, so it's nice to have a spacious walk-in shower. In terms of amenities, I found a self-operated laundry room downstairs. There is also a well-equipped gym. The pool is indoors, so you won't have any excuse for not keeping up with your swimming practice even in the winter season. It's quite a large pool, and there was also a jet tub and a sauna. My stay came up to $154.34 per night for a total of $308.68 for 2 nights. What do you think? Was it worth it? If you want to see more hotel reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notified when I showcase more places. If you want to see my experience viewing the highest sites in the world, check out this video here. Thanks and see you soon.